Hi, and thanks for watching. This is George at Wicked Warnings with a brand new 2018 Jeep Grand Cherokee. And as beautiful as those white DRL rings are, the spec on this job was amber. So unfortunately I couldn't flash them. This is a local construction company, so we needed to go amber. What we did do is mount the LED Hideaway Duo right on the front grille there for a damage-free install. That way if we wanted to remove them, there's only two tiny little screw holes in the black plastic of the grille you'll never even see. We use the trim bezel that you can find online as an accessory to the LED Hideaway Duo. Here's what I said. Out back we were able to sneak in an LED Hideaway Duo from the bottom up on this Jeep's lenses, on the outer lenses. It does clear the OEM reverse bulb. And it illuminates the lens quite nicely. It does fill that lens up quite well with light. Space is definitely tight in these new Jeeps, so we put in our flush mount 3/4 rocker switch right here next to the OEM headlight switch. There's enough room there to get the wiring behind it, and it's right there next to the headlights. Thank you for watching. Get a hold of us, email, phone, whatever works best.